needs an MRI too. An MRI is just a big magnet with a camera. Magnets and cameras don't hurt. The MRI machine is loud. Press the button to hear what it sounds like. If you'd like to hear some of the other sounds an MRI machine makes, feel free to keep hitting the button before continuing. When you're inside the MRI machine, you'll see lights and you'll have to hold very still. Let's give Murray his MRI. Press the button to start Murray's MRI. Scans for humans last a lot longer than 10 seconds. Let's see how Murray's picture turned out. Oh no, Murray's picture is blurry because he moved. Doctors need a clear picture. Let's try again. Pat Murray so that'll calm down and hold still. Holding still is super important when getting an MRI scan. Let's take Murray's picture again. Press the start button. Let's see how Murray's picture turned out now. That's a nice clear picture. When you have your MRI, see if you can hold still and get a clear picture, just like Murray. If you want, you can keep pressing the MRI button to see what will happen. See you at your appointment.